Welcome dear students, I am Swati BS, lecturer in mathematics. So in the previous session, we discussed about the concepts called as real numbers and how to identify the given number as a surd, and we also discussed about the rationalization concept and also how to identify the rationalizing factor to each other. And also we discussed about how to find the least rationalizing factor. So all those concepts we discussed in the previous session. So in today's class, we are going to continue the concept called rationalization. That is the last concept in your first chapter, that is rational and irrational numbers. And when you consider the today's session, we are going to solve the problems which are based on the rationalization concept. So when you observe here, the question is simplify the expression by rationalizing its denominator. So we have to rationalize the denominator. By using the rationalizing the denominator concept, we have to simplify the given surds or given irrational numbers anta helಬಹುದು. So if you understand these two problems, you can solve the problems which are given in exercise 1C, that is first one 3 by root 5 and second one 2 root 3 divided by root 5. So let us solve these problems. Now observe, rationalizing the denominator of 1 by root 2 is the first question. So in this, what is the denominator given here? Root 2 is the denominator. You have to multiply that root 2 to the both numerator and denominator. That is the first step. That means write down 1 by root 2 as it is and multiply this denominator root 2 to the both numerator and denominator. Clear? And next step is, so you have to multiply numerator and numerator and denominator and denominator. That means 1 into root 2 is root 2 divided by root 2 into root 2 is root 2 whole square. Root 2 into root 2 is root 2 whole square. Now you cancel this 2 and square root will cancel with each other. 2 and square root will cancel. Then it becomes root 2 divided by 2. Clear? Root 2 divided by 2. This is the simplified value for rationalizing a denominator of 1 by root. Similar to that, when you consider the next problem, so 5 divided by 2 root 2, in this you should multiply the denominator to the both numerator and denominator. What is the denominator here? 2 root 2 is the denominator. But in this, you must consider only a surd here. Andre irrational number na matra consider madkobekagatte. That means you have to take only root 2 here. 2 na consider ಮಾಡಬಾರದು rationalizing denominator ಮಾಡುವಾಗ. ಬರೀ root 2 ಮಾತ್ರ ತಗೋಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ. So root 2 divided by root 2. Right, multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. Now observe, 5 into root 2 is 5 root 2 divided by 2 root 2 into root 2, that is 2 root 2 whole square. So 2 as it is hange baritivi, root 2 into root 2 andre root 2 whole square. Now in this 2 and square root will cancel with each other. Then what it remains? 5 root 2 divided by 2 as it is hange uliyutte, illu kuda 2 ulidirutte. These 2 matte square root cancel agi 2 uliyutte. Now simplify this. 5 root 2 divided by 2 2s are 4. 5 root 2 divided by 4. This is the simplified value for this given irrational number. So this is how we have to solve the rationalizing the denominator concept. So same way you have to solve these two problems. ಅದೇ ತರನೇ ಇವೆರಡು problems ಅನ್ನು ಕೂಡ solve ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So now we will move on to the second way of doing the problems. Yes, dear students, the second type of problems based on rationalization. So that is simplify each of the following factors of the denominator In that, the first question is 1 divided by 3 minus root 7. So if you understand these problems, what I am going to explain now, you can easily do all these problems. So exercise 1C, in that the first question ಅಲ್ಲಿ third one in the ninth one vargu you can solve all the problems if you understand these example problems. And in this, first you have to note down the rationalizing factor of a denominator. So here, what is the denominator? 3 minus root 7 is the denominator. So in this, the rationalizing factor, in short we can write it as RF, short agi then RF anta baribodu. The rationalizing factor of denominator. So what is the denominator here? 3 minus root 7. The rationalizing factor of the denominator 3 minus root 7 is 3 plus root 7. So ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, rationalizing factor ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಸೈನ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಸೈನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಸೈನ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ rationalizing factor of 3 minus root 7? That is 3 plus root 7. Next we have to simplify by taking the given question. So that is 1 divided by 3 minus root 7 into, so multiply this, the rationalizing factor to the both numerator and denominator. So that is 3 plus root 7 divided by 3 plus root 7. So the rationalizing factor should be multiplied for both numerator and denominator. And now, so multiply this 1 into 3 plus root 7, that is 3 plus root 7. 1 into 3 plus root 7 is 3 plus root 7 divided by, so observe here, this is in the form of a minus b into a plus b, right? A, this is a value, this is b value. That means a minus b into a plus b. That is in the form of a square minus b square. So what is the formula for this? A plus b into a minus b, right? So a plus b into a minus b. This is a plus b. This is a minus b. Apply this one. A square means it becomes 3 square minus b square. What is b value? Root 7 whole square. Root 7 whole square. Clear? Denominator is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So you have to apply that. A means 3. So a square means 3 square. Minus b means root 7. That is root 7 whole square. Now simplify this. So 3 plus root 7 remains as it is. 3 square means 9. Minus this 2 and square root will cancel. It remained with 7. Then 3 plus root 7 divided by, subtract this, 9 minus 7. So 9 al 7 hodre, that is 2. So 3 plus root 7 divided by 2 is the simplified value by using the concept of rationalizing the denominator. This is the first problem. Similar to this, you have to solve the third one. Ide tarane third one maduvantadu. So let us move on to the next one. Yes, right. The next question is 3 divided by root 5 plus root 3 is the next question. So for this, you have to note down the rationalizing factor. The rationalizing factor of denominator. What is the denominator here? Root 5 plus root 3 is, that is root 5 minus root 3 is the rationalizing factor. Plus iradu minus agate. So that multiply this rationalizing factor to the both numerator and denominator. So note down the question. So that is 3 divided by root 5 plus root 3, right? Next step is multiply this rationalizing factor to the both numerator and denominator. Multiply that. So root 5 minus root 3 divided by root 5 minus root 3. Now multiply this. So 3 into root 5 minus root 3, that is 3 into root 5 minus root 3. Numerator multiply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, denominator multiply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So when you observe the denominator here, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು denominator ನ observe ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ it is also in the form of a square minus b square. That is nothing but a plus b into a minus b. So nodi, this is a plus b, a minus b. That means we can write it as a square minus b square. So what is a square here? A value ಏನು ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ. What is a value? root 5. So that it becomes root 5 whole square minus b square. What is b value here? root 3 whole square. Right, next step. So 3 into root 5 minus root 3 ಹಂಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, no changes in the numerator. Then in the denominator this 2 and square root will cancel, 5 ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ, minus 2 and square root will cancel, 3 ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ, 3 remain there. And go for the next step. So numerator remained as it is, 3 into root 5 minus root 3 divided by 5 minus 3 is 2. So take the constant first, that is 3 by 2 first barkoli, then root 5 minus root 3 is remained here. So this is the simplified value for the given question, 3 divided by root 5 plus root 3. Similar to that you have to solve the fourth one, right? Illi root 3 badlu root 2 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So you can solve the fourth one by understanding this problem. So we will move on to the third problem now. Yes, dear students, the third question is like this. So root 3 minus root 2 divided by root 3 plus root 2. So observe the denominator here. Root 3 plus root 2 is the denominator. So we have to write the rationalizing factor for the denominator. So what is the rationalizing factor for denominator? So the denominator is root 3 plus root 2, right? And what is the rationalizing factor? Positive sign ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು negative sign ಮಾಡಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. That is ಇಲ್ಲಿ plus ಇದೆ, so ಅದನ್ನ minus ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಅದೇ rationalizing factor ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. So that root 3 plus root 2 ಇರೋದು root 3 minus root 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. This is the rationalizing factor for the denominator root 3 plus root 2. And the next step is you have to multiply this rationalizing factor to the both numerator and denominator. So let us do that. So root 3 minus root 2 divided by root 3 plus root 2. Right, then we have to multiply this rationalizing factor to the both numerator and denominator. Multiply that. So root 3 minus root 2, right? This is rationalizing factor, divided by root 3 minus root 2. Now multiply the both numerator and denominator. So when you observe the numerator, root 3 minus root 2, root 3 minus root 2 ಇದೆ. That means 2 times ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ root 3 minus root 2. So that root 3 minus root 2 whole square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. root 3 minus root 2 whole square divided by, so observe here, this is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, right? As usual ಅದೆಲ್ಲ problem ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. So that is a plus b into a minus b format ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, a plus b into a minus b, so that you can apply this a square minus b square. What is a square here? A value is to root 3, so root 3 whole square minus what is b value here? B value andre root 2, so that is root 2 whole square. Now simplify this numerator. So when you observe the numerator, root 3 minus root 2 whole square, so it is in the form of a minus b whole square. So you must know the algebraic formulas. So ನೀವೀಗ algebraic formulas ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ problems ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದು. a minus b whole square, what is the formula for a minus b whole square? a square plus b square minus 2ab. Apply this formula. So a square anta ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, so what is a square here? root 3 whole square, root 3 a ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ, root 2 b ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ, clear? Then plus b square, what is b square? root 2 whole square minus 2 into ab, what is a value? root 3 into what is b value? root 2 whole divided by here. So this 2 and square root will cancel, 3 ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ, minus this 2 and square root will cancel, 2 is remain there. Now go for the next step. Next step, simplify this. So 2 and square root will cancel, 3 ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ, plus 2 and square root will cancel, 2 is remain there, minus 2. So observe here, root 3, root 2. So here the index is same for both. Eradukku index same ide. So that we can multiply 3 2s is 6. That is root 6 divided by. So 3 minus 2 is 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. Next, last step. Add this 3 plus 2 is 5 minus what it remained with 2 root 6 is the answer. 5 minus 2 root 6 is the answer. So in this way only you have to solve 5th one and 6th one of your exercise. So ade tarane ivu kuda ade tarane 7th one matte 8th one. So these 4 problems are exactly like this. So clear? Iden na third problem madidini ade tarane ivun maduvanthaddu. Observe the fourth question here. In the fourth question, denominator is root 3 minus 1 anta ide. So rationalizing factor enagutte root 3 plus 1 agutte. So il plus idre minus agutte. So rationalizing factor. So you can solve all these 4 problems by understanding this problem. So clear with the third problem. We will move on to the fourth problem now. Yes, the fourth question is 7 divided by root 15 plus 2 root 2 is the fourth question. So in this, again the same methodology, find the rationalizing factor for the denominator. So what is the denominator here? Root 15 plus 2 root 2. Right, the rationalizing factor of denominator root 15 plus 2 root 2 is root 15 minus 2 root 2. Again the same methodology. So multiply this rationalizing factor to the both numerator and denominator, so that 7 divided by root 15 plus 2 root 2 into root 15 minus 2 root 2 divided by root 15 minus 2 root 2. So ಈ rationalizing factor na numerator denominator ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ multiply ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. Again next step, multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator, so that 7 into root 15 minus 2 root 2 as it is hange baritivi. So observe the denominator here. So again the same formula, it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So a square minus b square format alli ide, correct? So a plus b, a minus b. So that apply this formula. A square andre root 15 whole square minus b square. What is b value? 2 root 2 whole square. Right, now go for the next step. So that is numerator hange irutte, change agalla. 7 into root 15 minus 2 root 2 as it is hange irutte, divided by, here 2 and square root will cancel, 15 uliyutte, and minus here observe 2 root 2 whole square ide. This square is applied for both 2 and root 2. ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ square na apply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. First we will apply this square to the 2 ಗೆ apply ಮಾಡೋಣ. 2 square ಅಂದ್ರೆ it becomes 4. 2 2s are 4 into root 2 square ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ 2 ಮತ್ತೆ square root cancel ಆಗಿ 2 ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆನಾ? This square should be applied for both 2 and root 2. ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ separate ಆಗಿ apply ಮಾಡಿ. 2 square ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 2s are 4. root 2 square ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ 2 ಮತ್ತೆ square root cancel ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 2 ಮಾತ್ರ ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. Then next step. So numerator as it is ಹಂಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 7 into root 15 minus 2 root 2 whole divided by 15 minus 4 2s are 8. 15 minus 8. And now the next step, numerator as it is hange bariri. 7 into root 15 minus 2 root 2 divided by 15 minus 8 is 7. 15 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 8 ಹೋದ್ರೆ 7. Then here 7 and 7 will cancel because ಒಂದು ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಇದೆ ಒಂದು ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಇದೆ, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ರಿಮೈನ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತಿಲ್ಲಿ √15 minus 2√2 ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಫೈನಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. ಸೊ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್, ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್. ಇದೇ ತರನೇ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಬಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ. So clear with the fourth question. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ನಾ fourth one. So similar to that, you can also solve the one more problem. So I will show now the fifth question and this last question. Yes, dear students, the fifth example question is 30 divided by 5√3 minus 3√5. So in this, the rationalizing factor of denominator. So what is the denominator here? 5√3 minus 3√5 is the denominator. And what is the rationalizing factor here? So minus irodana plus ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಅದು rationalizing factor ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So rationalizing factor for this one is 5√3 plus 3√5 is the rationalizing factor. Now multiply this rationalizing factor for both numerator and denominator. That is 30 divided by 5√3 minus 3√5 multiplied with 5√3 plus 3√5 divided by 5√3 plus 3√5. Now multiply the numerator and denominator so that 30 into 5√3 plus 3√5. So numerator as it is ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. And write the denominator. Again it is in the form of a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b. Here 5√3 is the a value, 3√5 is the b value. Right? So apply the formula. A square andre 5√3 whole square minus 3√5 whole square. 3√5 whole square. Here a square minus b square. A andre 5√3, b andre 3√5. That is a plus b into a minus b. Now numerator hಂಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, no changes. 30 5√3 plus 3√5 divided by, so apply this square to the both constant and surd. Irrational number ಗೂ apply ಮಾಡಿ, constant ಗೂ apply ಮಾಡಿ. 5 square ಅಂದ್ರೆ 25 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ into ಈ ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ ರೂಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ ಮೈನಸ್. ಅಪ್ಲೈ ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ ಟು ದ ಬೋತ್ 3 ಅಂಡ್ √5. 3 ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 9, 2 ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ ರೂಟ್ ನ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 5. 3 ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 9, 3 3s 9. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಿ 5 ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. ದೆನ್ 30 5√3 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3√5 divided by 25 3s, you multiply ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ, you will get 75. 25 3s 75 minus 9 5s 45. 9 5s 45. So next step. So numerator as it is, no changes. 30 into 5√3 plus 3√5 whole divided by, so here 75 minus 45 subtract ಮಾಡಿ, you will get 30. So 5 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಹೋದ್ರೆ 0, 7 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಹೋದ್ರೆ 3. Next 30 and 30 will cancel with each other because one is in numerator and another one is in denominator, so that they will cancel with each other. And what it remained with 5√3 plus 3√5 ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. So this is the final answer for the fifth question, that is 30 divided by 5√3 minus 3√5. And the next one is the last question in your exercise 1C. First main alli last question anna discuss ಮಾಡೋಣ. Yes dear students, exercise 1C, the last question, that is 9th one. So 2√5 plus 3√2 divided by 2√5 minus 3√2. So first we have to note down the rationalizing factor of denominator. What is the denominator here? 2√5 minus 3√2 is the denominator. So note down the rationalizing factor for this. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 2√5 ಮೈನಸ್ ಇರೋದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3√2 plus 3√2. Now multiply this rationalizing factor to the both numerator and denominator so that 2√5 plus 3√2 divided by 2√5 minus 3√2 into so what is the rationalizing factor here? 2√5 plus 3√2 divided by 2√5 plus 3√2. Now observe the numerator. So you have to multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So that observe carefully. So 2√5 plus 3√2, 2√5 plus 3√2. So it is 2 times, right? That means 2√5 plus 3√2 whole square we got. Whole square 2 times ide hagagi divided by. So again denominator is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, a plus b into a minus b, so that a square minus b square. So what is a value here? 2√5 whole square minus what is b value? 3√2 whole square. Right? And next step, apply the formula for the numerator. Yav formula apply madtira? A plus b whole square apply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So it is in the form of a plus b whole square. So a plus b whole square ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ a square plus b square plus 2ab. Right? Apply same thing to this problem. A square. So what is a square? 2√5 whole square. 2√5 whole square. This is a value. This is b value. Plus b square. What is b square? 3√2 whole square plus 2ab plus 2 into what is a value? 2√5 into b value. What is b value? 3√2 whole divided by, simplify the denominator now. This square has to be applied for both constant and a irrational number. So 2 square. 2 square andre 2 2s are 4 into 2 and square root will cancel, then 5 uliyutte, minus 3 square. 3 square andre 9 into 2 and square root will cancel, 2 uliyutte. Next step, so simplify this numerator. Here also apply the square for both constant and this number, so that 2 square andre 4 into ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 and square root will cancel, so 5 plus here apply the square for the constant and the root, that means 3 square andre 9 into 2 and square root will cancel, that is 2 plus now multiply these constants and also the irrational number. 2 2s are 4, so 4 3s are 12, square root of 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. Then divided by, so now observe here 5 4s are 20 minus 9 2s are 18. 20 minus 18. Multiply this. 4 5s are 20, 9 2s are 18. Next step, so 5 4s are 20 plus 9 2s are 18 plus 12 root 10 whole divided by 20 minus 18 is 2. 20 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 18 ಹೋದ್ರೆ 2 ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. Next step, add this. So 20 plus 18. 20 plus 18 is 38 plus 12 root 10 whole divided by 2. 38 plus 12 root 10 whole divided by 2. Now take 2 common here. So 2 common ತಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. 2 ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ? ಸೊ 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18. ಸೊ 38 ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? 2 1s are 2 ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, 1 ಉಳಿತು. 2 9s are 18 plus 2 6s are 12 root 10 whole divided by 2. This 2 and 2 will cancel. Numerator 2 ಇದೆ, denominator 2 ಇದೆ, cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So therefore the final answer is 19 plus 6 root 10. 19 plus 6 root 10 is the final answer. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. 38 plus 12 root 10 divided by 2. Here 2 ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18 plus 6, that is 2 6s are 12 and root 10 divided by 2. 2 and 2 will cancel. 19 plus 6 root 10 is the answer. So this is about the last problem of your exercise 1C first question. So next we will move on to the other types of problems based upon the rationalization. Find the value of A and B. A ಮತ್ತೆ B values na yav tara find ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಈಗ. Dear students, so the next two type of problems are find the values of A and B by understanding the given question. So to find the values of A and B, if the given question is this 2 root 3 plus 3 root 2, 2 root 3 minus 3 root 2 is equal to A plus B root 6. Means after simplifying the values, so ಈ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೀವು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ you should convert that in the form of A plus B root 6. ಆ ಫೈನಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅನ್ನ A plus B root 6 ಫಾರ್ಮಿಗೆ ಬರೋ ತರ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ we have to use the concept of rationalizing the denominator. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ನಾವು rationalizing the denominator ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತದ್ದು. Let us consider the LHS part of this. So that is given so 2 root 3 plus 3 root 2 divided by 2 root 3 minus 3 root 2, right? So now note down the rationalizing factor for this. So idru rationalizing factor na barkoli. The rationalizing factor of the denominator, so what is the denominator here? 2 root 3 minus 3 root 2 is 2 root 3 plus 3 root 2, right? This is the rationalizing factor for the denominator. Now multiply this rationalizing factor to the both numerator and denominator. As usual, previous problems yav tara madidivo ade tarane. So note down the question. 2 root 3 plus 3 root 2 divided by 2 root 3 minus 3 root 2, then multiply the rationalizing factor to the both numerator and denominator. So in this 2 root 3 plus 3 root 2 divided by 2 root 3 plus 3 root 2. Now when you observe the numerator, 2 root 3 plus 3 root 2, 2 root 3 plus 3 root 2, 2 times ide, so that 2 root 3 plus 3 root 2 whole square baratte, whole square divided by A plus B into A minus B, that is A square minus B square. ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಇದೇ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ನ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋದು. A plus B into A minus B ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. A plus B into A minus B. So apply that. A ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 root 3 ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ, so 2 root 3 whole square minus what is B value? 3 root 2 whole square. Now simplify the numerator and denominator. So observe the numerator, it is in the form of A plus B whole square. So that what is the formula for A plus B whole square? So that is A square plus B square plus 2AB. So apply this. A value is 2 root 3 whole square plus B value is 3 root 2 whole square plus 2AB. 2 into A value is 2 root 3 into B value is 3 root 2. All divided by, so here apply the square to the both constant and irrational. 2 square andre 4 into square and root will cancel 3 minus 3 square andre 9 into 2 and square root will cancel, that is 2. Now next step. So here 2 square means 4 into 2 and square root will cancel, 3 uliyutte, plus 3 square means 9 into 2 and square root will cancel 2 ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ plus multiply this 2 2s are 4 4 3s are 12 then square root ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರೋದನ್ನ multiply ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ root 3 into root 2 is root 6 whole divided by here 4 3s are 12 minus 9 2s are 18 9 2s are 18 so 4 3s are 12 minus 18. Now simplify the numerator. So 4 3s are 12 plus 9 2s are 18 plus 12 root 16 12 root 6 divided by 12 minus 18. So 12 alli 18 hodre so that is 18 and 12 hodre 6 barutte. Bigger number sign is minus here. Minus 6 in the denominator. 18 minus 12 is 6. Bigger number sign minus ide minus baribeku. Now the next step after this is add the numerator 12 plus 18 add madi so that you will get 30 plus 12 root 6 divided by minus 6. Now the next step is very important. You have to convert this in the form of a plus b root 6. Idana a plus b root 6 form ಗೆ convert ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So that 30 divided by minus 6 plus split ಮಾಡಿ ಇದನ್ನ 30 divided by minus 6 plus 12 root 6 divided by minus 6. Split ಮಾಡಿ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ 30 divided by minus 6 plus 12 root 6 divided by minus 6. Now 6 1s are 6, 6 5s are 30. So minus ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ minus 5 ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. Minus 5. Next plus into minus is minus. So 6 1s are 6 2s are 12. So here 2 root 6 ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. 2 root 6. Clear? So 6 1s are 6 5s are. So minus 5. Minus ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ minus 5. ಇಲ್ಲಿ sign multiplication. Plus into minus is minus 2 1 6 1s are 6 2s are 12. So root 6. Now I will write the last step here. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿತಾ ಇದೀನಿ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Therefore the given question is root 3 plus 3 root 2 divided by 2 root 3 minus 3 root 2. So ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು? After rationalization we got minus 5 minus 2 root 6. So that when you compare this with a plus b root 6, ಇದನ್ನ a plus b root 6 ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ so what is present in a place? A place ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ? Therefore a value is minus 5. Similar to that b value, b ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ? minus 2 ಇದೆ. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ minus 2 ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. A value is minus 5 and b value is minus 2. And this is about how to find the a value and b value. So now observe your exercise 1C fourth problem. So first main, second main, third main complete agide. Fourth main you have to find the a value and b value by solving the problems like this only. ಈ 4 problem ಕೂಡ ಇದೇ ತರಹ ಮಾಡುವಂತದ್ದು. So you can find the values of a and b by using the rationalizing the denominator concept. So this is about the today's session. So in the next class we will move on to the other way of solving the problems. That means the other types of problems we can solve in the next class. So this is about the today's session. Complete the homeworks what I was given. So assignment questions and exercise questions try ಮಾಡಿ solve ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. And if you have any doubts regarding with this, you can call me or you can WhatsApp me. So thank you all.